Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy Darley, and today's video is going to be my fall 6 a.m. morning routine, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys what a normal weekday morning looks like for me when the kids are at school, what all I try to get done in the mornings, and how I stay productive. So I know I called this a 6 a.m. morning routine, but typically I wake up around 6:15, and then I have been getting my workout clothes on first thing in the mornings, so that way as soon as I get done dropping the kids off, I can either go straight to the gym or come back home and get right into my workout. After I'm all dressed, I head into the bathroom, I brush my teeth, put on my deodorant, get myself ready, and then I head upstairs and I will get my daughter Gracie June ready for school. Now, one of the things that makes my life so much easier in the mornings is I have this organizer in the kids' closets that has all their clothes ready for the week. So I do this on Sunday evenings, and I just pull out Gracie June's clothes and get her dressed. And then my son Kason actually sets his Echo Dot for 6:15 in the morning, and he gets up and gets himself ready for the day using the clothes that I've already laid out for him earlier in the week.
Oh my gosh, I forgot to set my alarm for 6:15. Alexa, set an alarm for 6:15 a.m.
Alarm set for 6:15 a.m. tomorrow.
So I actually shared exactly how I made these organizers in my back to school prep video. I will link that video below in case you want to see how I did this. But taking 5 minutes on a Sunday evening to put their clothes in their organizers saves me so much time in the mornings. Next, I'll head back downstairs and get the kids started on breakfast, and then I'll start packing their snacks for the day. And if they're eating lunch, I'll pack their lunch too. But at the beginning of the week, we look at their lunch calendar and they decide whether they want to eat school lunch or packed lunch for each day of the week. And on this day, they were eating school lunch, so all I had to do was pack them a quick snack. And I love doing little trail mixes. And I love actually shopping from Target's snack section. They always have fun seasonal snacks that I can throw into their little trail mixes. Now, while the kids finish their breakfast and brush their teeth, I go back into my bedroom and go ahead and make my bed and get my socks and shoes on for the day, so that way as soon as I get back from drop off, I can get started on my workout.
It's time for school.
Now, depending on what day of the week it is will depend on whether I'm going to the gym or if I'm coming back home to work out or even walk. And on this day, it was a Friday, and usually on Fridays, I try to get a quick walk in, and then I'll do like some sort of really quick HIIT routine after I get back. And so I just got back home. I am throwing in my Apple earpods and then heading for a walk around the neighborhood. Now, while I'm walking, I love listening to books while I walk, and right now I'm listening to The Perfect Mother. It was actually suggested to me by my friend Brandy, and so far I'm loving it. I have so many favorites that I've listened to lately, and if you didn't know, on my Team Darley channel, I did do a book review recently, so if you need some books to read, definitely go check out that video. Now that I'm back, I'm actually going to do a quick little workout, and I usually do 3 sets of some sort of HIIT type exercise, and so that's what I'm doing here. I'll do 3 sets of each move and usually do 10 to 12 reps, and then I will stretch and be done with my workout for the day. Now, this is just a typical Friday, but other days of the week, like I said, I go to the gym and I'll do either a high fitness class, or if I'm doing strength training that day, then I will actually use the Sweat app on my phone and do the power workouts by Kelsey Wells. I've been doing those recently and I absolutely love them. Now, on this day, I had some errands to run, so I went ahead and took a shower so that way I could be nice and clean before going out in public. But on days that I don't have anything else to do, like appointments or groceries to pick up or any of that kind of thing, then honestly, I will just stay in my workout clothes if I didn't get too stinky. Then I'll just stay in my workout clothes and usually get some cleaning or something done around the house. Now, a lot of the products that I use are the same that I've shown before. I have been using the Method body wash, which I showed you guys just a minute ago, but most of the makeup products and things, I'm pretty much still using the same stuff, and I usually put my makeup on before I start blow drying my hair just to make it a little bit easier to do, and then I will blow dry and curl my hair. Now, if you do have any questions about any of the products that I use, let me know in the comments, but I'll also link all my favorite stuff down in the description box in case you want to check those out. But just so y'all know, I'm pretty basic when it comes to beauty and skincare and all that kind of stuff. Now that I'm done doing my hair and makeup, I'm gonna get dressed, but I wanted to share with you guys my ThredUp goodie box that I just got in. If you've never heard of ThredUp, it's the largest online thrift store that has your favorite brands like Free People, American Eagle, Old Navy, Lululemon, and they sell everything for up to 90% off the estimated retail price. So getting this goodie box was so much fun, and it was so easy because my stylist actually did all the work for me. All I did was fill out the style quiz, and then I also requested to have a bunch of fall items that I could mix and match together, and she handpicked everything for me, and I didn't have to do anything. And so I want to share with you guys some of the favorite pieces that I got in this box. The first item that I got is this American Eagle button-down shirt. It was originally priced at $50, but on the ThredUp website, I got it for $21.99. And I love this because I can wear it several ways. I could actually wear it buttoned up as a flannel and one-piece shirt, or since it's so stinking hot down here in the South, I could also wear it with a tank top and wrap it around my waist to make it a completely different look. You could also use this as a cardigan too. So this is definitely a great piece to have to make different outfits for the fall. The next item that I got is this lightweight American Eagle Outfitters cardigan. It was originally $50 and I got it for $18.99 off the ThredUp website. I also love this one because it's super lightweight and I'm not going to get very hot in it. The next piece is probably my favorite, and it's this Madewell sweater. It was originally $98. I got it for $27.99, and I love this. I can front tuck it. I could also put this on top of a dress, and it would look really cute. And then I also got this vest from ThredUp that was originally $71. I got it for $23.99. I could put this on top of it, and it looks super cute as well. Now the last item I wanted to share was this Madewell tee, and it was originally priced at $40. I got it for $16.99. This is another really great find for fall because it is warm here. It's a short sleeve shirt, but it's definitely fall colors, and I could wear this one with or without layers depending on how cool the weather is for the day. Now all you have to do to get your ThredUp goodie box is go to the website and fill out their style quiz. It'll ask you questions about your sizes, your favorite brands, style, price points, and then you can even choose from different themed boxes like spring essentials or athleisure, casual, all that kind of stuff. And then you'll even have an option to put in your Pinterest board, a link to your Pinterest board if you have a style Pinterest board or somewhere where you pin a lot of outfit ideas. And that way your stylist can get to know what your favorite styles are like. When you finish the quiz and you're ready to order your box, then all you do is pay a $10 deposit, and then you request your goodie box, and that $10 will actually go towards any of the items that you decide to keep in your box. Then your stylist will send you 10 thrifted pieces. You decide whether you want to keep it or send it back, and you only pay for what you keep. Now honestly, this was my most favorite box that I've ever gotten from ThredUp, and I actually didn't have to do any of the work myself because my stylist did it all, and I loved so much more than even the stuff that I've picked out for myself in the past. So if you are interested in ordering a ThredUp goodie box for yourself, I do have a link down in my description box. Click that link and it will take you straight to your style quiz. Fill that out, order your box, and then your personal stylist can start shopping for you. Thank you so much to ThredUp for partnering with me on today's video. Alright, so this is definitely going to be the outfit for today since the high is 83 today. And this is still fall, but I'm not going to sweat to death all day. So I might even end up having to put on some flip-flops, honestly. Now I am finally going to have my coffee for today, and since it's a lot warmer today, then I'm going to go ahead and do an iced coffee. Some days I will do hot coffee, some days I do iced, and so on this day I'm going to do an iced coffee, and I'm just using this cold brew coffee. I'm going to use some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and then I also got this salted caramel syrup, which is actually sugar-free. This makes it sweet without having to add in any sugar or stevia or anything like that. So this is definitely a fun little fall drink. It kind of reminds me of an iced caramel macchiato, but a skinny version. So definitely try this out if you like those from Starbucks. And in case you're wondering how I like my hot coffee, I usually just take a coffee pod, make it in the Keurig, and then use a little bit of unsweetened almond milk and a stevia packet. I am super plain, and I started drinking it that way when I did the Faster Way to Fat Loss back in June, and I've been drinking it that way ever since. But y'all let me know, how do you drink your coffee? Now I'm going to head onto the back porch. A lot of times I'll sit on the back porch or even on the front porch, just depending on the weather outside, and I will start doing my quiet time. So right now I'm actually using my journaling Bible, and some days I will journal in my Bible. On this day I did not, but I have been doing the October Little Bible Reading Plan that Jenny from Christian Girls over on Instagram created, and she does these Bible reading plans each month, and they're so much fun. For October, she actually included a bunch of fall bucket list items for each day, and I don't necessarily do every single fall bucket list item, but I have been doing some of them, and it just makes it a lot of fun when going through and reading your Bible. So if you are interested in checking out some of her reading plans, then I'll leave a link to her blog and her Instagram below. Now, this is the first Bible reading plan that I've done of Jenny's, and it's been so much fun, so I can't wait to check out her other ones. But before I did this, I usually would use the YouVersion Bible app, and there's tons of reading plans in there. And then I've also done some Bible studies, which a lot of you have done some Bible studies with me too. So it just kind of depends on the season and what I feel like doing for that month for my Bible reading. Now, once I get done doing my Bible reading for the day, I pull out my planner and I will actually check off some things that I've already planned out, and then I will also add to my planner for the day. Just if I have other things that we need to get done that I haven't written down, or other things that have come up, then I will just add it to my planner for the day. And I just wanted to give you a quick look at what my planner looks like. I use the Bloom planners. I get them off of Amazon. I'll link it below, but they're super simple. I love the way that I can just list everything straight down and check things off as I go. It has a monthly calendar planning sheet as well as weekly, and it's just super simple and easy to use. So I love this one. Now that I'm done going over my planner, I will pull out my phone and I will actually get on Instagram, try to check messages, reply to comments, respond to emails, and all of that kind of stuff while I finish up my coffee, and then I'll go back inside and get started on my morning cleaning routine. So for my morning cleaning routine, I always have dishes to do, whether it's just unloading the dishwasher, which is usually what I do most mornings, because usually we run our dishwasher at night, but on this particular day, we obviously didn't have a ton of dishes in the dishwasher, so we didn't run it. So now I'm just gonna load in the dishes from the sink and then hand wash any dishes that need to be washed by hand. Also, I'll quickly clean out my sink, which on this morning, since there had been a few dishes sitting in the sink, I'm using the baking soda cream cleanser, and I'm going to clean it down just to keep it nice and white. Other days, I will just take regular dish soap and wash down the inside of the sink if there haven't been a ton of dishes just sitting in there. Now, if there's any other kind of mess in the kitchen, I'll actually clean up that stuff too, but on this day, I really didn't have a whole lot to do in here. And the last area that I usually tidy up in the mornings is the living room. As you can see, our pillows, they get thrown everywhere, blankets, especially with the kids in the evenings, and then in the mornings they're watching TV while they're getting ready or eating breakfast. So I'm going to fold up the blankets, fluff up the pillows, put them back where they belong, and if there's any toys or anything, usually I throw them in that little basket with the pillows in it, and just leave it and then end up taking it upstairs whenever we get a chance to. But Gracie June actually had one of her little book bags sitting on the steps on the stairs, so I went ahead and just put it in there so that way she can take it up later. Now about this time, it is around 11 o'clock-ish, and I'm starting to finally get hungry. The coffee has held me over until this point, and I do not like to eat anything before I work out in the mornings. So 11 o'clock is usually when I eat my first meal of the day, and I'll have some sort of breakfast or lunch food just because it's like the perfect time to eat either one of those. And then I feel like that's the end of my morning routine, and I can get on with the rest of my day and check off the rest of my to-do list, go to my appointments or pick up groceries or whatever else I have to do that day. Alright y'all, so that is it for my fall morning routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it and getting to see what my typical day looks like when the kids are at school. And like I said, things change up a little bit depending on where I'm working out, whether I'm going to the gym or I'm at home, and also what else I have going on during the day, whether I have appointments or other things that I need to be filming or getting done, cleaning, all kinds of stuff. So typical morning. I hope you guys enjoyed it and got some inspiration, some products to try. Also, don't forget to try ThredUp and use my link down in the description box so that you can get a goodie box for yourself. I had so much fun trying out all the new clothes that I got, and I hope you enjoyed that part of the video too, just kind of seeing how I mixed and matched some things that I already had with some of the new stuff that I got. But that link is down in the description box. Check it out. I am about to go run and get me some lunch. I'm gonna go to Subway because we are out of bread, and I kind of wanted a sandwich, but now I'm thinking I might get a wrap. I don't know. I gotta go run some other errands too. I've gotta get some snacks and stuff for our baseball tournament this weekend, and I'm gonna try to do all this stuff before the kids get home. I also have a little bit of cleaning to do that I didn't get finished yesterday. So I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Gracie, what are you doing? You don't even set an alarm.
Oh,
you come and get in my bed at 2 o'clock in the morning and sleep with me.
I woke up at 1 a.m. Oh, maybe I forgot to set my alarm one more time. Okay, Alexa, play 100 Dalmatian songs so I can
Resuming
go to
Amazon
sleep.
Music.
Alexa, turn off.